Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView and earn money. TradingView is a fantastic platform offering powerful charting tools for market analysis. You can access real-time data for various financial instruments, from stocks to cryptocurrencies. It also connects you with a global community, allowing you to share and discover trading ideas. This comprehensive guide will help you navigate the platform effectively. TradingView offers a wealth of features to enhance your analysis. You can explore diverse chart types, like detailed candlesticks, to visualize market trends. The platform boasts over 100 technical indicators, helping you identify potential trading opportunities. Plus, setting custom alerts for specific price movements or indicator crosses ensures you never miss a crucial market event. These tools are essential for informed decisions. To earn money, a solid trading strategy is crucial. You need to define clear entry and exit points for every trade you make. Implementing strict risk management, such as using stop-loss orders, protects your capital. TradingView allows you to backtest your strategies using historical market data, helping you refine your approach before committing real funds. This disciplined method is key to consistent success. Earning money with TradingView involves smart execution and continuous learning. Always practice with paper trading first to hone your skills without financial risk. Consistently review and adapt your trading plan based on market conditions and your performance. Remember, the market is dynamic, so staying flexible is vital. Also, for a great addition to your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals. Keep learning and refining your approach for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.